How to choose the best Google Ads campaign type for 2025. Choosing the right Google Ads campaign type is crucial for maximizing your advertising efforts and reaching your business goals in 2025. In this video, we will guide you through the different campaign types and help you determine which one is best suited for your needs. The first type is search campaigns. These are ideal for businesses looking to capture high intent leads as users actively search for products or services. They are text-based and great for driving website traffic and conversions. Next, display campaigns. If your aim is to increase brand awareness, this could be the right choice. Display campaigns allow you to reach potential customers through visually engaging ads across millions of websites and apps. For those looking to engage audiences on video platforms, YouTube campaigns provide an excellent opportunity. By leveraging video content, you can capture the attention of audiences with strong storytelling and visual appeal to drive brand engagement. Shopping campaigns are perfect for e-commerce businesses wanting to showcase their products visually. You can promote your inventory directly on Google Search, making it easier for potential customers to see what you offer. In recent years, smart campaigns have gained popularity, especially for small businesses. These campaigns let Google automate the majority of your ads process, using machine learning to optimize targeting and bidding based on your advertising goals. Lastly, as mobile device usage continues to escalate, app campaigns are essential for businesses focusing on app downloads and engagement. They automatically generate ads across various Google platforms, reaching users in the Google Search Network, Google Play, YouTube, and more. Consider your business objectives, target audience, and resources while choosing a campaign type. It also might be beneficial to mix different campaigns to maximize your reach and impact.